Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Just want to share and continue on with the Exodus chapter 4. I'm going to move on to Exodus chapter 5, but there's a couple of scriptures in 4 that I want to reiterate with you. And let us get started with that. I'm going to start with number 10, verse number 10, and it reads, "Then Moses said to the Lord, 'But Lord, I'm telling you, I'm not a good speaker. I've never been able to speak well, and that hasn't changed since you started talking to me. I'm still not a good speaker. You know that I speak slowly and don't use the best words.' Then the Lord said to him, 'Who made a person's mouth? And who can make someone deaf or not able to speak? Who can make a person blind? Who can make a person able to see? I am the one. I am the Lord. So go. I will be with you when you speak. I will give you the words to say.' But Moses said, 'My Lord, I beg you to send someone else, not me.' Then the Lord became angry with Moses and said, 'All right, I'll give you someone to help you. Aaron, the Levite, is your brother, isn't he? He's a good speaker. In fact, Aaron is already coming to meet you, and he will be happy to see you.'" I just wanted to iterate verses 10 through 14 because Moses was told by the Lord what to do. He was speaking to Moses. And Moses, despite the Lord speaking to him and the Lord telling him what he can and will do, far as he is the one that gave us a mouth. He is the one that can allow us to speak, or he can blind us, so on and so forth. Not to mention, in the verses before them, he showed Moses about going from leprosy back to his original state, not talking about where he took Moses' walking stick and made it a snake and then back to a walking stick. The Lord is giving Moses everything he needs to be successful. But not only that, he told him that he had nothing he should have been able to doubt. But Moses still said but, and begged the Lord to send someone else and not him. So that made the Lord angry. I can understand, because the Lord had gave Moses everything he needs. And he does that with us as well. He gives us everything we need, and we still will doubt him. But thanks be to God that we can see in these verses that despite our shortcomings, that the Lord is still going to do what the Lord wants to do to save his people. So whatever you may be going through, and when everything looks like it just won't happen, but the Lord comes and tell you it will happen, trust in the Lord. Let us do our very best to be better than Moses and allow God to work through us, and not beg Moses to send someone else. I just wanted to make sure that that was shared, because I think that is huge. That'll get us to understand that the Lord has our best interest, even when we come to him with our frailties. But let us make sure that somehow, some way, we push through and trust in God. He's there and he got our back. Take care. God bless. Much love. Exodus 5 is coming up.